Hey everyone, I am so excited. I am so excited. So you guys know that I love providing information and providing knowledge that can help educate, equip, engage, and empower you to take your business to that next level. So I am happy that now we are launching our key class, which is called Business Basics 101. And I'm happy that I can do it with my partner, my business partner, Kevin Marquez, the tax guru, the tax professor, we're tag teaming on this class to teach you key concepts of business, as well as making sure your business is legally structured the proper way. And that's only going to go by understanding. So Kevin, tell them what they can expect from you from teaching that part in this particular class.
Well, the main aspect that I'm going to focus on with the business structures is how they affect you and your business for tax purposes. So I'm going to explain to you and show you an example of a real illustration of which business structure would benefit you the most based on the product or service that you provide. Because a lot of people just get an LLC because that's all they hear about. But there's other things that you can get added to the LLC or even change your business structure to get better treatment at tax time. And it can help you really lean towards paying zero tax.
Yes. So you got to hear that part. And then I'm going to come with the key business concepts that you need to know in order to start your business, build your business, and grow your business. It doesn't change. And also in this class, make sure you bring your laptop, because during this class, if your business is not set up, you're going to get it set up while you're in class. We're going to show you how to register your business on the Secretary of State website. So you can go ahead on and get that process, get that in the funnel for them to process as well. Because our key thing is to make sure that we equip you while you're here so you can be able to start your journey as an entrepreneur and blaze business blazers, right? So looking forward to it. Our first class is coming up February the 10th, which is next week. Go ahead on and register. We also have some other ones coming up as well. So when you go to Eventbrite, to our link, you're going to see when the other dates are available. And telling you right now, go ahead on and start registering for this class. And again, bring your laptop, come ready to learn, tell a friend about it. And we're just so excited. I am so excited about this. Are you, Kevin?
Yes, I am. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, so we'll see you next Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Come, let's learn. Let's take one step towards you becoming an entrepreneur and blazing new trails in business. Have a great one.